Let's go. Let's go. We're back, Dave. We're back. Virus, good morning. Good morning, Omega. Hi. Hi. Evening. Ray, good morning. Eddie, good morning. Rolly, good morning. Emer, good morning. Focus, good morning. Jay, good morning. Alan, good morning. Uh, Horizons. Good morning, KV. Good morning. Good morning, Wes. Good morning, Doug. Good morning. That's interesting. It's about time. I was about to call the RCMP for interesting. Anyways, yes. Bizo, good morning. Alika, good morning. Good morning, guys. Hopefully, you had a good long weekend. Good long weekend. I think we needed a long weekend after the slow rubbish weeks. Jay, good morning. How are you? Good morning, everybody. I'm just looking at more charts as we go into the open here. Some charts. I don't think anything is really breaking out yet. So there's no rush. Does anybody find that after the long weekends, the long weekends are, I don't know, it's always weird after, for some reason. Like the market can be annoying. So I think we're going to be more so focused on the smaller caps this week. So hopefully some violence happens, some chaos. More charts. Okay, cool. You know. Anyways, again, hopefully you guys had a good weekend. The S&P is looking red this morning. Bitcoin is obviously sold off as well, which isn't a massive surprise. Just want to see what the daily looks like here. So, daily, same level, right? So if I show you this this daily chart for Bitcoin, it looks the same, doesn't it? Even though it's been selling off for the last few days, it still looks the same, right? Still holding that same bottom, right. $42,000 for Bitcoin. Okay, that's the daily. Let me look at the 4 hour. Load. That's interesting. That is interesting. La, 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 la. Yeah, so 42 really needs to hold. Otherwise, I think people are going to panic a bit and expect more dip skis. Especially if we struggle at the 200, right? If we struggle at this 200, then I think we might see a bit more of a dip ski. So the last, how many candles do we have there? Anyways, I'm not going to count the candles. I'm just going to say five or six. The last 6 4 hour candles, we've gone up to the 200 and then backed off a bit. So, but it almost looks like it's trending up, like it's forming higher lows on every single one of these higher low candles, and it's above the 9 and the chronal and this and 42. So, let's see what happens going into this week for BTC. Did I forget how to count? No. I just saw too many wicks. I'm like, how many candles are those? I don't know. So I'm just gonna say five, because there's more than five. So, but yeah, I know you can kind of see what's happened though, right? So there's a whole bunch of them, right? Right. So we're going up to the 200 in the 4 hour and failing. The reason why I wanted to look at that is because if you look at Bitcoin and you go all the way down to 27, all the way down, look at that white line, right? This little white line here, right? All the way down, right? So the last time we went above that, we went below that, and then back above was at 27. Right? So from 27 all the way up to 40 something, Bitcoin has been holding that line. So now that we're below that line, and it kind of seems like it's testing it and it's playing with it, it needs to get back above, right? Um, right, Josh? They can start a soccer team. All those wicks, exactly. Like seriously. So all these little wicks here is what I'm talking about. That little white line and the wicks. For some reason, we found resistance there. So we know 42 is a big level for Bitcoin. If we can stay above 42, that's a good thing. If we start struggling below 42 like we are now, and then we maybe have a bit of an issue, right? So, but at the end of the day, if we can stay above that 42, then that's good. Alrighty. So any questions? So if you're holding names like Mara and Riot and all these Bitcoin names, mining names, then you kind of need to pay attention to that, right? So you're hoping that at some point we can consolidate and then go boom skis. Go boom skis. As for the S&P though, we can also talk about Tesla and whatnot. As for the S&P, what a monster this thing is, right? But I think as I posted that chart in Discord last night, there's a double top right there for the S&P, right? So you can look at everything, Mara, Microsoft, blah blah, all these large cap names. They will all kind of follow the same theme, the same pattern, right? So um, double tops for the S&P. So for now, base case is expect dip skis from a double top until we break above last Friday's high, right? Until you get a new weekly high candle, it's dip skis, right? So this is the second time we tested this level and we struggled at that same level. 478.60. 478.60. If SPY breaks above that level, it's all-time highs. If you're holding puts, you start undressing. Because it will be violence, right? So for now, 478.60 resistance. Um, yeah, it looks like we're gonna gap down this morning anyways, but really that's not the biggest concern. We can easily just gap down and recover. The market has done that too many times, especially on when it's trending up like this, right? So there's gonna be a bit of a recovery, and then if we keep trending down, and then okay, cool, fine. But for now, 478.60 is your main level to watch for the S&P. So for Tesla has been weak, right? So, and we said this before, like if Tesla went below that 434, it was 234, right? So 234, that's the 200. Then we had some big problems, right? So the fact that we closed below that was a signal for the next level, the next bridge, right? And that thing is still crashing like a tomato. Tesla is getting slapped hard, right? Like that thing is getting entered. So yeah. So it's getting beat down. It looks very weak, doesn't it? It almost looks like it's about to form an inverse head and shoulder here. Um, right? About to form an inverse head and shoulder. Wild. Yeah, let's see where that thing ends up consolidating at. Alrighty. I'm getting into two, no worries. Ayo, Musty. Ayo. So yeah, that's Tesla. Any questions, guys? You're hoping it stays above 20 today? Yeah. Any questions? Any questions about these larger cap names? So LAES is something that we've talked about going into the open. It's kind of it has a bit of support at 250. RVsn had some news this morning. The stock gapped up and it's been selling off, so that's interesting. Bets is one that's been split fun, right? So nice gap up, sell off, and it's consolidating at 270 something here, which is cool. CBD had some news as well, and it lacks volume though. My broker didn't get the message that the market is open today. You can't trade. Oh wow, why? What's the problem? What's the issue? Your broker is offline. Who's your broker? Nvidia. Let me look at Nvidia. That's wild. Nvidia is crazy. Nvidia is still green, guys. Right. So the new breakout level for Nvidia is 55350 ish. 55350. Nvidia is impressive. Like every day, it's green, 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 green. That's what happens when a stock breaks out, though, right? And we wanted those damn puts for Nvidia because Nvidia kept failing at 500, right? If Nvidia broke above that 500, ooh, there's no way, no way, no way, no way, Jose. Especially when a stock is doing this, like I will sometimes take a gamble on something that's been failing at the level, like at the same level over and over. Like if it's doing this, you're like, oh, okay, okay, okay. And also, like when you bought if you bought those puts, Nvidia eventually like sold off from 500 to 470. At that point, you don't go red, right? Because if that thing comes back, oh Lord have mercy, you will get entered, especially if it's one candle and it's pumping. That thing is coming for a breakout. And as soon as that thing broke out above 500, no puts, nothing. Especially with the way that it's pushing, like it's not even stalling. Like this is puts. Why? Because it's stalling. It's like, oh, I don't know if I want to do this. I want to go sideways. When it comes up like that, with that much volume, and you hold puts, congratulations, DJ Khaled will whisper in your ear. So yeah, for now, new all-time highs for Nvidia, guys, 553.50, 553-ish, 553.50, almost like 4 pennies off. So I just keep calling it 553.50, but um, $553.50. So yeah, it looks good, and it's still gapping up this morning, while everything else is selling off. Nvidia says, nope, suck it, not overvalued at all. Seriously, that damn thing is impressive. um, Overvalued. Let me clean up some of these things here, and then we can keep going. I want to look at Amazon too. Amazon is one of those stocks that like ASNS had some news, ELAB had some news, PCT had some news as well. Amazon was like the highest rated company coming into the new year, right? Amazon has obviously done really well, bouncing off support, really really well. I think this is beautiful, by the way, right? Look at that breakout for Amazon, right? You have your double top on the left hand side, right? And this is the same thing we've talked about. It doesn't matter whether it's a penny stock or it's a small cap or it's a large cap. When something breaks out, you wait for that retest, unless it's a powerful retest and you just want in, right? Look at that. Amazon double top 145, Amazon breakout, Amazon play around, retest, and then a big retest again, 145. Amazon new all-time highs, right? So, well, let's call it new highs. Alrighty, that's impressive, very impressive. So, my question is, yeah, you do, JC. Yes, is that thrusting music I hear? And what? And thrust. Oh, yeah, it's working now. Okay, good, 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 good. Why do people hate Tesla so much? If you think about it, like every time, the company that they hate the most is Tesla. Why? I get that Elon is, so Elon should have stayed away from social media. He should have just been a genius and just kept working on like other stuff. Now the dude gets attacked. The damn stock. Look at these other stocks. Tell me why Tesla is crashing to the abyss and everything else is hitting highs. Is it because Tesla sucks? No. Is it because Tesla no make monies? No. Is it C? Is it because Elon Musk caused ruckus? Yes. anyways, anyways, you guys are very okay. Let me do this. Let's do this. If it's you speak, I think he Western WeChat for whatever the Chinese company is called. People. Oh yeah, that's true too. That's true too. Yeah, but I mean, like, yeah. Teslas are no more expensive than any other brand new car, though. Must you of that, like, with that much value to offer. It's not right. They're all the same, Musty. All these cars. 1 second. Okay, let me see what's on the gainer list again here this morning. Yeah, ELAB rose to the top there very quickly, didn't it? Very quickly, and then very quickly. La, la, just editing some of this rubbish. Okay. My 1992, yeah, Jim. No, that's okay. That's okay. Good morning, Nathan. Good morning. It's because Tesla is burning hot, literally burning hot. Yeah, yeah. I think there's more to it than just Tesla selling off. There usually is. Usually is. What's the name of that? What's the name of the song? The last one? The last song was called "Born Fresh." Juan, "Born Fresh." Good morning, guys. Anyways, again, let me quickly look at some of these names that we have as gap up names. Again, if you have any questions, please make sure you're asking as we go into the open. I'm just looking for stuff I like, as usual, right? So, yeah, Juan. I don't see anything that I like yet, though, right? Everything just seems weird. If we look at the first name on the list, right, top gainer up 74%. What's happening into the open? Nothing, right? It's on the right hand side here. It's selling off, actually, right? So that looks weak. So until we can start curling, there's nothing to see there. LAES is still holding 250, which is nice. But meh, fun. I haven't looked at fun yet, actually. Fun, fun. 12 cents. Okay. I mean, it's holding the 200, which is good. Which is good. Lots and lots of resistance just below 13 cents here for fun. Lots and lots of resistance. So we shall see what happens going into the open. 55 from The Simpsons. What do we have this week for data? There's nothing. There's not a whole lot in the earnings calendar. Um, not a whole lot in the earnings calendar here. So we had a few banks report this morning, actually. So Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs, PNC, First Bank. So yeah, and then today after the market closes, IBK, Interactive Brokers, whatever the full ticker symbol is. So today is all about the banking. Actually, this entire week is all about the banking, right? Even on Wednesday too, right? So U.S. Bank, Citizens, Charles. Yeah, there are a whole bunch of banks reporting this week. So there really isn't a whole lot when it comes to like anything else, you know. KBS, I'll take a look. I will take a look. Anyways, yeah, just wanted to quickly take a look. Amazon's ELAB. So these guys had news this morning. The stock has actually done quite fairly well. Your next resistance is 420 there, KVS. I'm not sure if you're in the stock. I am not sure if you're in the stock, but some more news. TAOP has some news. DATS has news. Edible has more news. So they're saying they achieved 50% year over year increase in produce sale. during holiday time period. Okay, cool. Cool. Moving on. RVsn. Let's see if RVsn can actually cross back above here. Yeah, I will leave that thing alone just because it's still struggling below the 9. So if that thing can find a way to cross above the 9 at some point, then that would be a good thing. So I'm gonna add that to the notes here. Back. So as long as it stays below the blue, then it's no go. Weibull Canada is now available. And your 90 day zero commission. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Let's see what they are. Let's see what they say. Let's see what they say. Wimus. Greetings, Mr. International and everyone. Good morning, Vita. Greetings. Greetings. Anyways, yeah, that thing is still selling off. So I just wanted to check the Weibull stuff. Weibull says they're now available in Canada. They say they're now available in Canada, which is cool because I think. Let's see. Do they have an app? Weebles. Or is it just the same app? Let's see. No, I don't want to verify anything. Face to verify. Not buying anything. There's a CA in the corner for the Canadian app. There's a CA. Okay. Yeah, the only one that shows up for me is the American one. The American one is the only one that shows up for me. So like maybe if I search up Weibo CA, because that's what it looks like almost. Hmm. Yeah, just the one shows up for me. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Uh, the blue. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. I see. Yeah, I see yours. Yeah. What the hell? What the hell? Okay, perfect. I see it. I see it. Thank you very much. Uh, two four 205. Mine is. Oh yeah. What's the address for what? No, 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 no. Who? What? Yeah, download it. Download it. Download it. It's 45. It's 45 and freezing. All you Americans, you know. All you Americans. It's minus 7 degrees Celsius. Nice. You should go sleep, pizza. You should. You should go sleep. Na, 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 na. Americans. All you Americans. Na, 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 na. Yeah, there's so many stocks with news this morning. Actually, let me take a look at TAOP. That's another one with news. So not a whole lot of price action though, right? Initial reaction, yes, but that always happens. Um, so if that thing can maybe get back above $1.40, that would be a bit more appealing. A little bit more appealing. So yeah, just kind of watching for now. Still, kind of watching for now. Na, 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 na. Choo, 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 choo. Na, 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 na. Choo, 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 choo. Interesting. Choo, choo, choo. There we go. You don't. Because, Troy, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Below, last sum of the, yeah, I think it's 4 to Crazy Jim. Good morning, Joe. Ayo, ayo, ayo. How are you? How are yous? Yeah, the dirty stock fund it broke out. Oh wow. Okay, let me. Oh yeah, on the left hand side there. That's fun. Fun finally broke out. Dang. Wow. Yeah, finally broke that 13 cents and immediately shot up. Bets is also kind of pushing for $5 actually. Kind of pushing off for $5 there. Hmm. Do we get a retest though? Do we get a retest? A retest. Good morning, Virgo. Lincoln, good morning. Bonjour, bonjour. Good morning, good morning. How are you? T Blizzy, good morning. Good morning. Uh, okay. Okay. Uh, yeah, yeah. Don't blame you. Oh, what happened? No, I'm Peter. If you like, I've been, I've been distracted looking at this Weibull stuff. What did you say? Judging? Why would I say that? Why would I say that, Peter? Huh? Feels like minus 22. Yeah, JC, that's how it usually is, and it's very annoying. Like when it's windy, it's very annoying. Like so annoying. Na, 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 na. Very, very annoying. No reason. Mm-mm. Uh-uh. La, 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 la. I'm trying to put a list together of like the favorite names going into the open, and everything looks a bit fishy. I do like that we're still holding this range, for this one, but playing a lot of games with us, isn't it? So again, bets looks interesting. TAOP had some news, but not really reacting there. Let's see. La, 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 la. LAES is still holding that 250 level, which isn't too bad. Bitcoin again. We've talked about Bitcoin. We can talk about it again if you guys have any questions. Fun looks like it's doing well actually going into the open, so that's good. At least something is doing well. Yeah. ELAB had news. It's consolidating at $3.20. Yeah. So fun seems to be the name into the open. That's an interesting candle actually. That's an interesting candle. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Okay, cool. Cool, cool, cool. Na, 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 na. There we go. Perfect. So again, I kind of want to pay attention to this one going into the open just because we've actually crossed above the 9 for the first time Uh, so let's see. Is anybody in RVsn? Anybody? I want to see that thing break $2 and actually break $2. Like actually break $2. You know. And then anybody? AA, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Like actually break it and then break 202 or 202 and then 205 and then maybe we have something there. You know? You're watching it? Okay. That damn thing is very slow, isn't it? Who's in on fun? I'm sure a few people are. Um, yeah, just be careful as we have 6 minutes to go before the market opens, and it's basically hitting the highs of the day here. So yeah, just be careful. Seems to have a bit of resistance at 1450, Sahil. So yeah, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. Smash a like. Yeah, it's failing at 1450 actually. So smash a like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new. How do I see the watch list from Discord? In Are you in Discord, AA? You finally made it. So it's selling off from 1450. That's not a massive surprise. You're feeling. Good morning, CM. Good morning. ELAB does look interesting, and ELAB is actually holding up quite well, so that's good, right? So I think I mentioned 320 earlier. 340 is holding really well. So for some reason, it just seems really slow, but it's holding the levels, which is always a good thing. AA, okay, good. I don't think you're in Discord yet, are you? No, I don't think so. So I'm going to send you a thing here. So yeah, AA, click this link at the bottom of the chat. That's your invite. So click that link and then follow the steps in the getting started channel, and all the other ones will open up for you. Alrighty. So click that and follow the steps. And here goes a retest again for RVsn. So for some reason that thing can't really break out yet, right? So we'll see if it eventually does. Blooming, good morning. Good morning. Let's go, Gail. Let's go. Yes, it is. Pizza, go get some sleep. You should go to bed. Peter stayed up all night playing features, you know. La 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 la. Hey yo. La 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 la. La 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 la. Okay, perfect. Okay. Entered. You mean features played me? Yeah. Features. Peter said, I want to play features. Features said, we want to play pizza. Yeah. So fun looks like it's almost retesting and holding the retest, which is always a good thing. Virus, you know. But yeah, no. So again, breakout and retest there, Omega. So that's good. Same resistance, 1450 for fun. I've seen a few mentions of Mark as a sympathy play. Remember that one when DWAC was pumping, Fun was pumping, Mark was pumping, all these names, right? All these Trump place, right? So not that they were all connected, but people kind of looked at them like that. Anyways, there goes fun again, pushing. There goes fun again, pushing for 1450. Ooh wee, ooh wee. That thing is looking good into the open actually. So 1450 resistance, and it's failing again. Yeah, just be careful into the open. For some reason, I can't chat in Discord even though you're subscribed. No, you have to follow the steps first, AA. So the link I sent you, if you go into the Getting Started channel, there should be a video at the very bottom. You can watch that video. It's going to walk you through what you need to do to chat. Or you just scroll up a little bit, AA, and then follow the steps, and all the channels will open up, and you should be able to chat. Alrighty? So, yeah. If your Discord says unable to chat, it's because you haven't followed the steps yet. Once you do, it should open up more stuff for you. Alrighty? Alrighty. Can we stay above? Can we stay above the demand zone for RVsn? Interestingly weak. Interestingly weak. What was that? 5 cents? That's it? Interesting. Good morning, Justin. Want to trade your one-on-one that you have today for a better date this week? Let's see where this candle closes at, actually. One-on-one. Let's see. Yeah, you might have to send a message in the one-on-one channel, actually. Okay, that's the fees for after 90 days. Okay, let me take a look. Really? $2.99 per trade? That's pretty damn good. That's pretty good. Yeah, that thing is not behaving. So zero commission promotion for 90 days from date of successful account opening. Updated on. Okay, cool. That's pretty good. Wow, that's really good actually. Interesting. It's very good. It's 9 degrees Fahrenheit in Nashville. Good morning, Costa. Good to be back. Yeah, it was a long weekend. It was a good long weekend. So market is back. I mean, honestly, when look at FUN go. The price action isn't quite like the price isn't reflected yet for some reason. But we're hitting 15 cents for FUN. That's pretty weird. I think TradingView is annoying sometimes. Can you like tell me why the stock is pumping but the price on the right hand side is frozen? Why? Yeah, $7 per trade versus okay, that's why. I think I know why. It's because they were confused between like the open and not the open. Anyways, yeah, a lot of craziness. Um, hmm. Huh, interesting. Market hours? What do you mean? Like the candle? Oh yeah, futures market hours. Yeah, pizza. I know. I feel like you every time I'm just like from what you told me. Every time you tell me stuff, it's like oh wow, you're crushing when the market like into the open or like at the open. Like that's when you hit those like nice because you spam it on stream or something. But I'm usually on here is when you spam it. Every time overnight, you're always sending me other stuff. So just judging from like your experience with it, you do well when the market is open or like into the open. Um, yeah. If you play anything else, you have to take the very small scalps. Na, 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 na. But uh, yeah, I'll take care of that. I will take care of that. Fun is having fun though. 100% run. That's why. Okay, I see why. I see why. Tesla new lows of the day. Yeah, Tesla looks very weak. Nvidia is hitting new highs. Tesla is hitting new lows. Isn't that crazy? Crazy, 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 crazy. Dirty. Well, I mean, Omega. I don't know why you call it dirty though, compared to everything else. It's all the same, isn't it? It's all the same. All the same. It's so cold. Like my nose is my nose is anyways. Yeah. Okay, let me look at some of these other names. Yeah, no, ELAB has done a good job holding that 320 level, Mohammed. It's a bit of a sell off and then consolidation. A bit of a sell off. There's nothing happening with this one. Nothing happening there. So fun is still looking good, even though it has resistance at 15. RVsn is playing with $1.95. Still looks a bit fishy there. Bitcoin is below the 200 still, right? Which is a problem, like we said, right? So if we need, like, Bitcoin really needs to find a way to, at the very minimum, stay above, like, close candles above 42, um, and get above the 200. Because if it doesn't, then we have a bit of a problem here with Bitcoin, and obviously the other names would sell off too, right? So we shall see. Disney, Amazon, Joe puts on everything on Amazon. Let them all bleed. Oh my goodness. Joe wants violence. This is what he wants, violence. That's the most cardio you got this week. I know it's yes. Yeah. No, the temperature is a bit interesting. A bit interesting. They RV, like what I don't like about RVSN here is just the unnecessary volatility. Like, that thing just went from 205, which is resistance we wanted to see break, back to 196. You know. Hmm. Interesting. And let's see if we can get a higher low. If we can, then that's a good thing. A higher low would be good. Is Canada just frozen, Pablo? It really is frozen. It's wild, ridiculous, ridiculous. But Mara, why? What's Mara doing? Mara is getting slapped. Yep, below $18 for Mara. Right. So with Bitcoin doing what it's doing, it's yeah, it's not a good thing. It's not a good thing. So yeah, 205 is resistance here for 205 is resistance here for RVSN. I'll take a look. La, 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 la. So it looks like we just had to get that initial market open sell off and then consolidation. Hmm. What was the support level initially? Here, I'll take a look. Consolidation. Okay, sounds good. Well, that's true, Sky. That's true. That's true. I was looking at pictures, and someone posted a picture. It was minus 50. It was minus 50. It was minus 50 at some point this weekend. Isn't that crazy? Have you ever been a part of minus 50, guys? Minus 50. Okay, like minus 50. Minus 50. It doesn't matter what like unit of measurement. It's the same. Minus 50. Isn't that wild? Hmm. No higher low. No higher low. Just straight pump. Minus 63. Dang. Every winter. JC, where do you live? Where do you live? Where did you experience minus 63 at? Oh, in the account? Yeah, so here comes the retest. This thing is all over the place. That's the one thing I don't like about the stock. Like, it's not really giving us anything consistent here. It's just playing stupid games. But for now, this might be the retest. So let's see if we can stay above $2. That thing needs to close candles above $2. At the very least, like 196. So $2 to 196. Nebraska? Okay. Up north? Okay. Peace. Oh wow, Peace River. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. To freeze sky. Yeah, it is. It is. Imagine the people that work outside though. That's impressive. Hmm. So that looks so interesting. I just kind of stopped looking at fun because it was still below 15 cents. That thing needs to clear 15 cents there. Mara is still dropping like a tomato, right? Obviously, Bitcoin isn't helping. Bitcoin is also dropping. This is the 4 hour time frame. That's why it's a problem. But like I've mentioned before, guys, right? The last time Bitcoin was below the 200 EMA on the 4 hour was at 27,000, right? So guess what's happened now? We broke below that 200, and look at the last few 4 hour candles. We've kind of been struggling to get back above that level, right? This little white line here was struggling. So yes, we are holding 42. If we can hold 42 goods, if not, if we fail to hold below that and we're struggling with the 200, then we have a problem, right? So it doesn't mean we're going to the abyss, obviously, right? So sell off, consolidate, right, and then go for that next rally, right? So, like, the analogy we've used, quite often to explain this is again, imagine if you're going to the party. When the party's over, everybody leaves, right? And then you wait for the next party, right? You don't go home and you say, "Oh my goodness, that was the worst party. I hated there." Blah 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 blah. It was fun when it was pumping, right? It was fun, a lot of fun. So yeah. ELAB is at new highs. Okay, let me go back to ELAB. There goes ELAB on the left hand side. ELAB has been very slow, but at least it's not one of these crazy, stupid stocks, right? ELAB is actually held up really well. So three. Oh my goodness, look at Mara go. Mara is at 1750 now. That thing is getting slapped. Yeah, Spy's taking a dump. All of these things are very extended. Double bottom. Okay. Wow, Mara. Wow, Mara. Interesting. Well, what other level did we talk about? I think we talked about like 16 something. Anyways, let there be blood. Let there be blood. Yeah, this is why you want to be very careful, 47. Okay. This is why you want to be very careful. Like when everybody's screaming, like, oh my goodness, Bitcoin to 100K, ETFs approved. Yeah, that's usually not the best time, is it? When everybody and the grandma is screaming like, "Oh my goodness!" When everybody's greedy, you should be fearful, right? When everybody's greedy, you should be fearful. And I feel like we talked about this so much last week. Buy the hype, sell the news. 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 The hype is going to come back, right? Don't make no mistake, right? So these things are not here to, they're not gone anywhere, right? But it's, people made a lot of monies on the way up and they're taking profits. So, yeah, yeah. Anyways, yeah, ELAB seems to have like resistance every 10 cents. Yeah, let me go take a look at some of these other names. So UCAR had a lot of hype over the weekend. A lot of hype over the weekend. Yeah, I think that's what happens too, right? When the market is selling off like this, people just go to the penny stocks, right? To the penny stocks. So yeah, Fun has obviously done well this morning, and UCAR is hitting highs of the day. Resistance at 1450 as well, which is interesting. Cool. 1450 is 15 cents, Omega. anyways, anyways, yeah. Resistance every cent. It really does have resistance every cent, doesn't it? Yeah, it's slow. I wish something would just break out. Just give us boomskis. But nope. Like RVsn, same stupid thing, right? So, yeah, right. Like I mean, you can kind of see the games this thing is playing. It's holding like levels, but still, actually, if we can get a higher low now on our RVsn, and we get back above 210, that would be a good thing, right? I just want to see higher lows. Like we just need to trend up, right? The initial dip, 180, right? Second dip, above 190, right? So that thing needs to give us a higher low and a higher high now. Why the bloodbath, Mr. JC, on the markets? I mean, think about it, right? Like everything was so high. Everything is hitting highs on highs, right? All time highs. SPY hit new highs last week, right? Mara and Bitcoin, these things have been pumping and hitting new high, 2-year highs, right? So like these things were really, really, really high. So yeah, and when stuff is that high, when people see blood, everybody panics. Yeah, Grizzly, we've talked about it. We've talked about RVSN. It's on here, right? So just kind of waiting to see what that thing does above $2 here. RVSN. UCAR failing at 1450 fun. Retesting 15 cents. So yes, I really would like to see RVSN break out there. I have never seen RV besides for after hours and pump and dumps. Yeah, let's see what happens here actually. It's looking a bit more constructive now, Wes, but this thing has been annoying all morning though. It's all about some yeah. Uh, I see. 208. La 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 209. It goes 210 again. Can it actually break out this time though? Interesting. If you think about it though, every morning Mara does this, right? Mara sells off every morning and then somehow goes up. Today might be different, but if it can stay above 1730, and then I think you might have a chance. But every morning Mara does this stupid sell off. It's the day and yeah. Yeah, Mara is trying to recover there. All I want to see here is if RVsn will actually break out. You can kind of see how like it's forming a double top there at $2.10. Um, so I think needs to break that level. I'm still waiting for breakfast. Yep. And no go yet. So Mera, that's a fat green candle there, virus. So market open, sell off, a bit of consolidation, cross back above the 9, and then boom skis back to 18. There goes 18. What's FUN doing actually? FUN isn't too bad, is it? No, it's not. It's forming a downtrend now though, right? So resistance at 1450, 1450, 1460. 1450, 1460. Huh. Interesting. Yeah, it's failing on the downtrend there, FUN. Anyways, let's go back to our RVsn. Is anybody holding RVsn in the chat? Let me know. Anybody holding? Nope, still failing. Still failing. What's the block on that 210 resistance level? $2.10. Because that damn thing is strong. 206. UCAR stalling below 1450. And obviously so is FUN, right? So same resistance. Mera is still pushing there. Ooh wee. Mera said, there goes your sell-off, guys. I gave you 17. Well, here's 18. Nice dipski. Nice dipski. So Bitcoin still above 42? Yep, Bitcoin still holding 42. Interesting. Cool. It's curling a little bit west. Okay, good. Good. We need curlies, you know. LAES. Yeah, it is. Yeah, now it needs. I know Justin is playing with this one too. So, yeah, that thing just needs to stay above $2.45 now. Go on. Go on. Go on. Cool. Why is the debt market so slow, guys? What happened? What happened? Unbelievable. RVsn is still playing there. Yeah, there's a nice block at 210. Some reason it's having issues with it. Some of that block has been moved down to 208 now too. 208. Come on, something give us a breakout. Yeah. Yeah, Dan. Yeah, Pablo, that's a decent recovery. That's a really nice recovery, actually. Mara seems to do this quite often now, right? Sell off, sell off, sell off at the open immediately and then recover. Bitcoin is recovering nicely there too, which isn't too bad. Fun with a bit of a recovery. LAES doesn't look too bad. And yeah, so that's a good fun recovery, Pablo. Yeah, suck it up and find us some rockets. I know, Josh. Lame excuses. I'm looking. All these stocks don't want to behave. Oi, my goodness, my goodness. Yeah, it's that first month syndrome, guys. And the first month. Look at the first month of the year, right? So again, I keep using this chart because there are other things we could be looking at. And it's the S&P, but seasonality works on anything. So yeah, the first month is quite annoying. Quite annoying. Quite annoying. But anyways, we'll see. La, 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 la. Quite annoying. Where do we have you? I know, Dan. I know, right? No, we will. Fun looks better now. So next resistance at 15 cents for fun. Omega, you're still in this one, right? So yeah, I think the market is going to pay attention to the penny stocks today. I think it's going to be so at the top of the list is fun, right? So uh yes, yeah, Costa, yeah. Up, I do I even have it? Oh, I have it somewhere. I have it somewhere. What I can do though is take a screenshot of it on stream and then can I save it? No, I can't really save it. I'll take a screenshot of it on stream here, and then I'll post it in Discord. At least then I have it. So it will be posted in Stock General. So it is in Stock General. In and out. Omega. Okay, nice. Yeah, it looks like it looks like you have a double top at 15 cents now. LAES is slowly curling, which is nice. One penny at a time for LAES, but honestly, sometimes that's especially in this market, that's good. Especially in this market, slow and steady, slow and steady, slow and steady. Maybe some spy calls. Okay. Ooh, that thing just jumped nicely there. Yeah, exactly, exactly, yeah, exactly. Exactly. I do like yeah. Justin has been spamming LAES in Discord. See, I knew Justin was gonna be slower and steadier. Slower and steadier. A dive scuffer. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I think it was 270. Oh yeah, let me get your thing fixed actually. Okay, let's see. TradingView. Mhm. Hmm. Perfect. Tesla, what's Tesla doing? ELAB is stuck. Stuck. Ooh, wee. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Tesla was at 212. Tesla was at 212. Oh my days. Dang. That thing went down to 212. Wow, 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 wow. That's quite the sell off, actually. Quite the sell off. Yeah, it looks like the entire market recovered after that initial sell off. Sell off and recovery. Sell off and recovery. Ooh, I see. Okay. That was a nice scalp, Justin. Very nice scalp. A very nice scalp. A very nice scalp. You know what's interesting though is the like sentiment. I think when Tesla initially crashed from like the 300s to 200, everybody was buying the dip skis. Like you could see the comments in the chat. Your comments are always interesting. You could see them in the chat. Bitcoin is recovering really nicely there too. Um, you know, yeah, that 15 cents there, Justin, for fun. It's interesting. I haven't seen anybody say, "Oh, I'm buying the Tesla dip skis." I'm buying the Tesla dip skis. What happened, guys? Hmm. I find that interesting. Nobody buying Tesla dip skis, guys. Nobody. Or we maybe we're just not talking about it. That's why. Maybe we're not talking about it. Tesla's going for 220. Oh wow. Dang. That's the good thing about Tesla is when it crashes, it crashes. Like you can if you're holding puts, those puts print. When you buy calls and Tesla decides to go back up, Tesla goes up. Like it goes up, 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 which is nice. CGC cannabis place. Okay. Cannabis. Uh, or yeah, no, LAES has done really well. The good thing about this is that it stayed above the 9 the entire time, Justin. Right, I think your red candle was coming from like the retest of the view app, and then reclaimed and then actually stayed above the 9 and new highs from the bottom. So your true double top is at 275 ish, almost close. 274, 275. 274, 275. Yeah, CM, your TradingView algo should be good now. So just refresh and check again. It should be good to go. It should be good to go. Should be good to go. RVsn has just been a stupid stock. I mean, this looks like a double bottom of $1.90 now, which is good, but That thing eventually needs to break out if it's ever going to do anything, right? So $2.10. It's good that it's holding 190 now, though, right? We have a higher low double bottom. That's always a good thing. Still needs to break out. Still needs to break out. Yeah, the only thing that's shown up on the scanner so far is LAES. The only thing. The only thing. Okay, let me do this. 0. Let's say get the 20. 10-ish. Okay. Yeah, LAES looks really good there, actually. Oh, look at that thing go, Justin. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Huh, interesting. Cool. DATS is breaking out. Yeah, those guys had so far today with a clear level that needs to get above. Yeah, those guys had some news this morning. Tesla's above 220 actually. Wow, look at that thing go. Tesla's above 220 now. Impressive. So these morning dip skis are proving to be yeah, that looks nice. I think for some reason we have resistance at 320. I bet you that's coming from somewhere on the daily time frame though. So yeah, promising, right? Nice rally, a higher low of the kernel and the 50, and a new high. So that looks good. That looks really good above $3. Your next resistance is 320 there. Yeah. Let's go 275. No. Tens? Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful. Just now as I okay, let me look at some of these other names. Red. I like seeing red. I like seeing red. Unlike the big names, you know? Because we need dipskis. We need dipskis. We need dipskis. iBits, $24 for iBits. Huh, interesting. Very interesting. Cool. It's interesting, actually. Have you taken any crypto or ETFs yet, Josh? Second trade on it stopped out at 66 for 12 cents, Wes. Okay, yeah, that's not a bad scalpy. Not a bad scalpy. Too bad stopped you out though before going to 77. Annoying. I went put shopping last week on the higher frames, the higher time frames, looking for deep demands. Yeah, I mean, like, honestly, Joe, it's yeah, just way too extended, the markets. Yeah, good job, well done. Yeah, no, fun hit resistance at 15 cents and then backed off. It's a double top, Sahil. It's a double top. LAES looks good though. It's a two almost 280. The trash out hurt the trucks in the neighborhood, Wes. And then you run out. Yeah. Yep. No, you should. You should, Nemo. You should. Right? When the market is this choppy, honestly, you should be patient. And if you don't touch anything, that's okay. Minus 10 degrees Celsius, Fahrenheit. Yeah, like if the market is if it's super, like if the market is super choppy and you don't feel safe, sit on your hands because the opportunities will come, right? The opportunities will come. So there's no rush at all. No, no, no. I was just asking if you took any of the crypto dipskis already, Josh. That's all I was asking. If you took any dipskis, any crypto Bitcoin ETFs dipskis to be specific, ETFs only dipskis. Or you're just waiting for that 2 weeks, a week out. IWM. Okay. IWM. Let's take a look here. Damn. Let's see here. The funny business. I agree. I agree. There goes LES new highs, and then as soon as I say that, it drops back to the 70s, retesting the 9. As soon as I say that, it drops. Okay, let's see here. Actually, actually, yeah, the calls, yeah. That's I'm telling you, like that's one of the worst feelings in the world. The worst. One of the worst feelings when your calls go to point zero 0.01. You're like, well, it was fun while it lasted, I guess. Yeah, it's painful. It's very painful. La 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 la. Yeah, there goes the stupid stock again, right? Like I said earlier, the good thing about this one is that at least it's found a base at $1.90. So double bottom at $1.90, triple top at 210. So RVsn needs to clear $2.10. And if we can, maybe boomskis. Maybe boomskis, 208. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. There goes 209. There goes 210. There's a nice block waiting at 210. A nice block at 210. And it's failing again at 210. Right? So the third time, another fail. Na 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 na. Interesting. Very interesting. Nvidia's at 560 now? Like, that's crazy, Wes. Here comes that 210 block again. Yeah, it's getting reduced now. It's getting slapped. Oh, it's gonna get broken, isn't it? 210. Yep, gone. That's weak though, because it never actually closed a single penny above 210. Even though the block disappeared and to 211, it never actually closed anything above. So I guess we're still waiting. Stupid. I know, right, Justin? It's trying. It's trying. Dude, here we go again, 210. Come on. Just give us a damn breakout. How long do we wait for breakouts? My goodness. Come on. Come on. Hey yo, Rob. How are you? Good morning. For fun, I mean, it looks like it's holding a nice demand zone. Just below 14 cents. I see here. Chapman, good morning. Good morning. I like that nice bounce of 42 for Bitcoin there actually on the 4 hour time frame. That's a solid candle. That's a nice dip buying candle. That's a nice, hey, the bulls are at 42.42K for Bitcoin. That's good actually. And it looks like we filled that 210 again for RVsn, so no breakouts. No breakouts. Nothing yet. I held and waited patiently with a month for a month. Yeah, and it went without you. I know, Wes. I know. That's the thing. That's the thing with breakouts. Honestly, Wes, is you never know if they're going to break out one, or if they break out, right, and when they break out. So then you're sitting there for 2 weeks, and then you're like, okay, well, I've been sitting here waiting for 500, 500. It's been 1 month. Nvidia is not breaking out. That's why it's really important to just set an alert, wait for that breakout. When it actually does break out, oh, and then you know that it's going. Especially with Nvidia, it's strong. It's very bullish, right? And it's been testing this level for quite some time. So when it breaks out, that thing has the potential to really go boom skis. And that thing broke out and said goodbye, goodbye, my lover. Is the song he was singing. The rocket was going up, and Wes was standing on the ground, and Nvidia was singing, goodbye, my lover. I'm trying to remember the rest of the words in that song because it's a good song. La 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 la. You've been a friend. Goodbye. Anyways, yeah, I slept in that morning. You slept in? Oh wow, and it was stubborn at 2. Yeah, that's annoying. So very annoying. You've been the one. Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. You goodbye, my friend. You have been the one. You have been the one for me. Goodbye, my lover. Dang, that's so frustrating, honestly. When you know something is gonna go and you're waiting and waiting and waiting, and the damn thing takes off without you. Oh, dang, pissed. And then now it's like, well, I was waiting at 500. Why would I want to buy at 512? And then it just keeps going. It's yeah, that's the question, isn't it, Wes? Yeah, that one got away for sure. Got away. QQQs. When are they going to take a break? I know, right? Look at this. Look at these damn things. Seriously. Like, when do we dip, guys? When do we dip ski? When? When do we get a solid dip to buy the dipsy? No? When? When? Are we even gonna get a dip this year? Let me take a look at the dollar. Hmm. Actually, it's coming off a nice little bottom there. It's retesting the downtrend here. Hmm. Well, I guess still must be still. 277 E. Okay, that's nice. Yeah, it's going back up to that 280 level. LAES. Uh, Grizzly Gaming. Not if it doesn't break out. Not if it does not break out. Yeah, from NQ. Lynn. Uh, uh, la, 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 la. Uh, uh, hmm. That's the problem. Uh, Why you're at 210? You're probably delayed on stream, Alan. Mine is at 2 or 3 now. So yours should be at 2 or 3. You're probably delayed because you're asking now when it's at 2 or 3, but I bet you your stream is delayed by like 10 minutes. So when you get to this point, high five. Fun is finally. Oh yeah, Fun is sending it. Wow, yeah, Fun is really sending it now. Fun is sending it there. Budget approved. Budget approved. Choo, choo, choo. What's on the news stuff here? Okay, cool. Na, 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 na. Yeah, Fun is going boom skis. Finally broke 15 cents. Finally. Third try is the charm. So first resistance, second double top, third boom skis. So that's good. That looks good. Omega, you're back in this, aren't you? Yeah, yeah. 16 target hits. Let's go. Let's go. That's nice. That's a nice target. I think we have a planner. Let me send you something, Rob. Let me send you something here. Let me know what you please don't. Yeah, no, Bitcoin has done a good job. Bitcoin has done a really good job holding 42, right? So as long as the bottom of the range holds, that's a good thing. We just need to clear that damn 200 on the 4 hour. For some reason, again, I'm only watching the 4 hour time frame for Bitcoin this morning, but whatever. I'm just gonna leave it on the 4 hour. Alrighty. Oh, look at that. RVsn finally said, "Hey, since with 100,000 shares, time to sell." Oh wow, really? 100,000 shares, Sahil? Congratulations, well done. Nice. Beauty. So he'll become a member. Come join us in Discord. That's amazing. Congrats. What about CGC? There's been a lot of like hype. Yeah, Rob, you like that? Okay. Rejected. Yeah. You okay? You do? Okay. 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 So tech. So have tech and have crypto then. Okay. 2024. Let's go. Just the beginning. One small step at a time, Rob. One baby step. One baby step. One baby step. Let's do it. It's time to do better, you know? Time to do better. Um Today for levels and stuff, yeah. Eventually these cannabis stocks will run. It's always a cycle, right? You get a turn, you get a turn, you get a turn. So yeah. Yeah. So RVSN popped but then failed at the 200, so that's another level to watch for resistance. LAES looks really good. New highs of the day, and fun is just pushing it. Baby steps. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, let's do this. Can I actually do that there? Okay. Mm. You have been the one. Yeah, looks really good. Looks really good. So $3 would be your next obstacle there, Justin. Yeah, it's gone, isn't it? Yeah, that's okay. Exit too soon. Yeah, no, you made money still. That's good. Because I think when you sold, we came back down for a retest of the 20. So, and then we broke out again above 280. So no regrets there, really. Honestly, no regrets. No phones. Uh, okay, perfect. You send me a DM. If you have questions, usually when you have questions that are like stock market questions, you're better off like asking me in stock general because sometimes I will ignore like DMs or like I just don't look at DMs quick enough. Like if you need a quick response, you're better off asking me immediately on stream, like as I'm looking at these comments, or just ask in Discord, like in stock general. But yeah, sometimes I not intentionally, but like if I don't pay attention to DMs. Bitcoin is above 43 BTC, 43. Fun is sending it. Yeah, Fun is sending it. Oh my goodness. Yeah, no, I slack with DMs sometimes. And the Omega is smiling. Smiling. Smiling 1765. 1765. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. Uh for it's embarrassing. No. Costa, I promise. Like embarrassing will only ever be in your head. Like no one judges. I mean, honestly, if you take a position and you're in the red and you have a question, no one should ever judge you, right? Whether if you bought a stock at $10 and it's at 5 cents and you want to ask about it, I might roast you, but honest, I think it's a good thing because then you're gonna remember. um, but yeah, like I won't judge you for, or like no one will judge you for, and yeah, no stop loss from last week. Yeah, no, that's okay. Like honestly, ask, right? We all start somewhere. We need to learn. Yeah, exactly. Judge me, it's okay. Yeah, no, like honestly, it's we've I promise you, every single one in this community, every single one in this community has been in a position or worse than anything you could tell me. I've been in a worse position than anything you can tell me. I promise you that. Right. So CRGE. So there's not a position that you can tell me that, oh, but I'm shy, I'm embarrassed, because I've been in a worse position. So, and you just have to figure it out at some point. Anyway, so CRGE, what's your position? What's your entry? No. I know. I did that. I'm just waiting for like the actual entry though. Uh, okay. So la, I see 2250. Okay, perfect. So you got in at 2250. Again, the one thing that I will remind you of, is um, this one's a bit different, right? So when you look at this, shares the winners but never the losers. Exactly, Musty. Exactly, claiming dreaming of 50 cents. No, so when you look at this, right, this is something you have to be careful of. right? When I look at this stock like this, what do I see? I see that this stock is clearly crashing to the abyss, right? Always zoom out, Costa, right, Mr. Z? So zoom out, right? And look at this, you're like, oh wow, okay, it's been going down, it's going down, it's going down, it's going down, it's going down. Like it's going down for months. Like it's going down for a damn long time. So when I see one fat green candle, that's exciting. This doesn't change anything though, right? This hasn't changed the trend, right? To me, this is dangerous, right? So when you buy something like this, that's it, like it's giving you a sweet green candle. Yes, that's nice, but again, you really have to like your stop loss is number one, right? When you're getting into a play, the first thing that I think of, again, not the healthiest way of thinking about stuff, but when you buy something, the first thing is, oh, okay, I'm buying this stock. What's my max loss here? Fun is pumping, right? You want to think about that max loss initially, right? Like what's the most I'm willing to lose on this play, right? Again, I know it's not the best way to think about things, but you should, right? Like what's the most I'm willing to lose on this play? Okay, if I'm buying at 22 cents, right? Where do I put my stop loss? Do I think there's support at 20 cents, 21 cents, right? So think about that stuff. Again, I can't really see anything on the daily chart because it's one fat green candle. So I'm going to zoom out a bit here and look at the 30-minute. So yeah, you bought this thing at 22 cents. So you bought around this price. 22 cents wasn't a bad entry, honestly. Right. See, that's the thing, right? Is it done now? I'll take a look. Right. So the thing about like this was not a bad entry. Like 22 cents, you bought right there. Look at that, right? This thing was trying to hold 22 cents for an hour, for 2 hours, it was trying. So then when you see that it's trying to hold, maybe your stop loss goes at 21, maybe 20 cents, right? Because you never know. If it goes below that level, you notice what's happened now too is we say this, right? When your stock goes below support, you want to be very careful because that support becomes resistance. Look at that, right? 22 cents was support. Guess what? That thing just became resistance, right? You could have sold it this morning as well at 22 cents, right? Especially look at that 30 minutes, 1 hour, an hour and a half, 2 hours, 2 hours of touching 22 cents, right? So, dang, fun is up 160, 167%, guys. Ooh, my goodness, my goodness, Wes. Sheesh. So your question now is the stock done? If I was in this thing and I was deep red like that, I would be looking for 1750. So the lowest we've hit since yeah, right. The lowest we've hit since 22 is 1750. So this pre-market we hit 1750 ish. So I kind of want to stay above 1750, Mr. Z. When halts, fun isn't gonna get halted. The lowest that I've seen a stock halt is 70 in the 70 cent range. Yeah, stopped with yeah. See, yeah, was in 23 cents to stopped right before it ran to 34. West, yeah. No, you're welcome, Costa. Yeah, don't ever be shy. Take everything as a learning experience, right? Um, all of it is a learning experience. Just maybe don't play with as massive positions as you're playing with, but again, 22 was a good entry, right? You should be happy with that. It went from 22 cents multiple times, 22 to 26, 22 to 26, right? So at some point within that range, you can say, you know what, stop loss at break even. You know what, I'm going to take some profits. You know what, I'm going to put a stop loss at 21, right? So in this morning, when it kept failing at 22 cents, you could have said, okay, you know what? It keeps failing at 22 cents. Let me just put a stop loss at 21 because you never know. Now it's at 18 cents and you've lost a whole bunch of money, right? But the opportunity was there. So always think about like protecting your money and rely less on the stock. Rely less on the stock, rely more on like your abilities or like on your plan, right? This is my plan. This is what I want to do. If this stock does this, I'm going to do this, right? Because if you're just hoping and waiting for somebody else, that's the way you get screwed in the market. You're just waiting and waiting. Is paying out as well? Is not over trading? Is yeah. No resistance above 20. Well, I mean that's if it can consolidate above 20. Richard. No resistance above 20 is a scary is a dangerous expression. Uh, okay. Beautiful, Rob. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Mm, thank you. Thank you. Okay, let me try this. Twenty. Okay. Yeah, let's see if these candles close above 20 cents, and then we can see what the hmm, interesting actually. It's an interesting way to look at it. Don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already, please, and thank you. As fun is on fire still, right? So smash the like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you're not a member yet, become a member. Come join us in Discord. Click the link at the bottom of the chat. Alrighty. Commands. Wow, look at that thing. That thing is up 188%, 22 cents, and climbing. Sheesh. When FOMO hits hard. Yep. It is going. 189%. 22 cents. Resistance? Where resistance, guys? Where resistance? Where resistance? Let JC, yes. Well, you better not let that thing go back to 14 cents. Better not. So yeah, move your stop loss up. But again, like that breakout above 15, right? Look at that. That's your breakout. This is why breakouts are fun. This is why people sit on their computers and just wait for breakouts. But look at that, right? We obviously have resistance right there. Isn't that impressive, Virgo? The way the markets recovered? Yeah, like no dip skis at all, right? So look at that. Double top, breakout, boom skis. Never look back after the breakout, right? So yeah. Yeah. Is that a salt pizza? Yeah. Yeah. No, so I mean, we should have thought about this actually because of what happened last night with Trump in Iowa, right? We should have thought about this. All these Trump stocks. This is gonna keep happening as the elections keep coming closer, and Trump is winning stuff. All these Trump related stocks are gonna keep doing crazy things, right? Crazy things. So that's a nice run. Let me take a look again. Okay, perfect. So much winning. Yeah, that's the perfect gift, isn't it? Yeah, DWAC is another one. Your bag holding fund at the highs of the day, it's up 180%, and you're still bag holding. So DWAC is one. Fun is another one. Mark is another one. MARK is one. Uh, Rumble, does Rumble still fit? Yeah, yeah. Mark is another one. I don't know if Mark is actually moving. Yeah, Mark. Mark is up 15%, I guess. Like it's kind of moving up. It's actually sitting at the highs of the day. This one's a bit more expensive though, isn't it? So yeah. No, CEI is not one. CEI is Jill Zach Morris. Yeah, no, it's not. Mm, huh, huh. How do you want to do that? And can you post a list? Yeah, I can. I can look for a list. Yeah. La, 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 la. Yeah, Mark just hit new highs. Mark is at 17 cents, 17% for the day now. Entry fun. Trump stocks run when they're hot. I mean, so fun is at the highs of the day, Alan. So, let's see. Okay, let me use Canva to create a watch list, a Trump watch list. Okay. Canva. I'm just gonna. So let me know. Let me know if anything else comes to mind because I've named a few, but I bet you there are a whole bunch more. I bet you there are a whole bunch more. Goodbye, my. So we have fun on the list. We have DWAC. Mark is one. Rumble. Rumble. Let me see here. La, 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 la. Not that you have to play these stocks today, though. Just like a watch list to keep. Rum is up 13% today, isn't it? So uh, there was another one, wasn't there? Yeah, exactly, Alan. Yeah, if you can consolidate, yeah. No, he doesn't hold any of them. These are just stocks that have rallied in the past because there's been some type of connection or so throws, right? So there's a weird connection. Like there's a weird connection to all of these. I think DWAC is fun is pumping like this because it's a micro penny stock, right? So actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to pull up that article and it should give us a bit more insight here. Was connected to, yeah, there's a weird connection. And you know what's funny is when fun was pumping like years ago, right? When so we were watching fun. Fun went from $1 to 20 something dollar. Yeah, I think that's another one, Virgo, right? Fun went from $1. So DWAC was pumping. We were having fun with this. DWAC was pumping from $10, $20, $50, $100, $150, right? Because DWAC was the platform that Trump was going to use instead of Twitter, right? Like Rumble, the connection, right? The SPAC merger, but that obviously failed. And then Fun went from like from $1 to $20, like from one night to the other night, and then crashed, right? And then the CEO said, "What? We have no connection to Trump. Retail no care though. They still pumped it." So let me zoom out here a bit. So this article should have a few. So DWAC is obviously one of them. Actually, in this article, what they tagged three different stocks, right? So shares of DWAC pumping. So DWAC, Fun, and Rumble. So these are the three main stocks they're looking at. Obviously, there are a few, right? There are smaller ones. He returns. Yeah. So this article is actually quite good. Meanwhile, software developer fund, which was hired by Trump's 2020. Yeah. So DWAC was hired in 2020 by Trump for re-election campaign to build a phone app, nearly doubled in, right. So these are all like old stocks. Trump hired Fund in 2020 to build an app, right? I bet you that's not the case anymore. So that connection might not even be there, right? You know what I mean? So like these are all things that like might, but you just have them on the watch list because who cares? Obviously it's pumping, right? You think people care? They're like, oh yay, it's going. We don't care, right? So um, yeah, yeah, BRCC. Yeah, that's a good list. I like that list. I think yeah, I think that's the list. BRCC was another one. Yeah, BRCC. I don't think I've heard of the other ones, but okay, let me take a look here. Yep. See, I've never heard of like. Obviously, I've heard of the name MAGA, but I've never looked at the stock though. Oh, it's an ETF. The ETF is red though. I don't think. Yeah. So what about Foxa? Yeah, these ones are all red. Exxon. Yeah, these ones are a bit. They're a bit different. Yeah, these ones are different. So, what about BRCC? I think that was the last one I was looking for. Actually, this one's also red. What's the connection with so December something something something? These guys bought a whole bunch of insider. These guys had a whole bunch of insider buying. Interesting. Because I know we're gonna have fun. Like we're gonna have a lot of stuff is gonna come up like this. And you know the meme you know the thing we like the little video, too much winning. Of course, that's you know who that's coming from, right? So, okay, I think that should be good. And again, keep in mind like these things all have like a weird connection, you know. Uh, it's- okay. Anyways, moving on. Let me go back to oh my goodness, look at Fun go, guys! Wow, Fun is on fire. Fun is on fire. Oh my days. 220%. Sheesh. It is going. Okay, look down. 220. Oh my days. Perfect. 222, 223%, 224%, 228%, 229%. Trump says it's too much winning. You need a dip? Yeah. No, it will dip at some point. Could be the stock of this year, DP. I mean, who knows? Who knows? Omega says win $1. Yep. Stock of the year. No, I'm sure this stuff is gonna come up a lot, right? So elections, politics, Trump, this, that. Yeah. Time in the history. Yeah. 233%, guys. Fun is having fun today. So fun. Oh my goodness. 240%. 241%. 246%. 247%. 250%. 250%. 255%. Ooh, yeah, that's the that Bonsky. Yeah, that's the GIF. My goodness, let me zoom out a bit here. Actually, let me look at the daily because I think we're going to need to be aware of these levels. 27, 20, 28 cents actually, 28 cents. So it's 28, and then it's psychological at 35 at 30 cents, and then it's 35 cents, 33 cents actually, 33 cents. Cool. I just wanted to see where that next wall was at. But honestly, when something is this high and this extended, you want to be very careful when you look at resistance and you jump in at the highs, right? Even though there's resistance at 28 cents, doesn't mean you should be buying at 26, right? Doesn't mean you should just FOMO. What's DWAC doing actually? I do think again. Oh yeah, DWAC is pumping. DWAC is at new highs of the day, right? 15 cents, 15%, right? So $20. Oh yeah, that's another one. PSQH. That's the yeah, that's the junior window. So I don't know if that benefits from yeah, 28. Yeah, it's 28 cents for me for resistance for fun, and then DWAC is $20. Yeah, 20. Yeah, 28. Yeah, yeah. DWAC just broke $20 then. Yeah, no, he does. Look at that. 20. Yeah, 27.60. 27.60. There it goes. 260%. 261%. 263%. 264. Here comes that 28 cents. Oh my goodness. Oh my, that thing said resistance at 28. Do you see me at 28? Wow. Oh my goodness, that thing's not stopping. 290%, guys. Catch me outside. It said resistance. Yeah, right. You can resist these. Yep. So new highs of the day 29.60. 290%. 30 to $5 in 2 months. Mm. Well, this is I mean, it's on fire. That thing's at 30 cents now. It's you will get a dip at some point. That's for sure. You will get a dip at some point, Costa. You will get a dip at some point. Right? It doesn't mean, again, like, just because it's extended doesn't mean it's done going up, but this is way too dangerous. You're asking if you should buy a stock when it's up 300%, right? At some point, that thing could dump to retest the 9, the 20 something, and then you're like, excuse me, what am I going to do now, right? It clearly looks good and it's clearly strong and it clearly has room to the upside. If you play with stuff like that, your stop loss just has to be very tight. Oh my goodness, that thing's not stopping. It is not stopping. Wow. Oh my goodness. There goes 34 cents, right? Again, like like I will never say no, like, oh, this stock is way too, like it's not, but again, like the issue now is you're buying at the highs, at the highs, at the highs, right? So it's dangerous. I think it's like 300%. Nope, 365%, guys. 365%. And here comes the drop. Here comes the drop. Here comes the drop. That thing just went from 35 to 30 cents, right? 35 to 30. So, yep. Yep. The easy entry. If you're gonna FOMO into something, your FOMO is educated FOMO. This was your breakout. That was your breakout at 15 cents right there. That was your breakout. Resistance 1, resistance 2. This is the easier play, right? Once you start doing stuff like this with candles like these, At some point, you're gonna get a red candle that looks like one of these ones, and if you buy at the wrong price, you end up going to the bridge, right? So, yep, that's the danger, you know. Yeah, the DWAC warrants, Pablo. Okay. So again, as we go into elections, stuff like this is going to be, especially if he's winning stuff, especially if he's winning stuff, right? All these related stocks will, and we're about to go below 30 cents, right? So here comes 29 cents, right? So there's 29 from 35 to 29 cents in one candle, right? There goes 28, right? If you buy this thing at the wrong price and it gives you one red candle, you're selling for a loss and it's going to go right back up. Well, if it goes back up, and then you're going to cry, right? So dipskis will always come. You just wait for the dipskis. You just wait for the dipskis. Okay. What if we did? Uh, Interesting. Yeah, Rumble. Yeah, there goes. Right. So we're dipping now to retest the 9. Right. So Mr. Z, well, Big Z, that was epic. Oh yeah, it was, wasn't it? Yeah. See that thing caught me, Big Z. So there goes 27, right? Look at that, right? Here's 26. We just went from 35 to 26, guys. If you FOMO into this thing at the wrong price, guess what? You just lost a whole bunch of monies, right? So the dipskis will always come, always, always, always. So 50. Um, how do I want to do that? Spy, spy going to the abyss. Bitcoin has actually done really well. Look at that. Look at that 4 hour time frame, guys, for Bitcoin. This looks beautiful, doesn't it? That looks beautiful. SPY. Spy's crashing. Oof. Shoosh. Oosh. Oosh. These are 1 minute candles. Yeah, look at those last two candles. Dang. What happened here? It stalled and stalled and stalled and stalled at 76 and then to the abyss, right? So yeah, like I said, unless SPY gets above, unless SPY gets above 470, 478, 60, um we still have a chance of double topping, right? And then going back down. So if we break above 478 though, 478, 60, I think we're looking for all-time highs. Someone knows something? Yeah, right? So we stay below that level, it's extended. All your money, so don't do it. Yeah, that looks like a nice sassy chart. Yeah, you know what's nice too is like the S&P is doing that, and Bitcoin is like, so what? The Fed was speaking. Oh, okay, I see. I see. I see. Uh, let's see. Hmm. Contribution. Okay, cool. do that. Two 7/7s. Two. Okay, cool. Two 8s. The shorts have to cover. 47. Two. Okay. Fun is trying to curl. Let me go back to fun. Let's go back to the fun. Yeah, it is trying to curl. It's going to need to start closing these candles back above the 9, and then JC should be good. Yeah. Yeah, blockchain is beyond just BTC. No, for sure. There goes 28 again. 28. You would have been, you would have been much safer, like taking that gamble if you wanted to closer to 25-ish, Mr. Z. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, Oksana, beautiful. $900, but you want more? No, good job. That's amazing. Well done. Well done, Oksana. $900. Beautiful. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. La 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 la. La la la. Going to try 30 target. Getting by Justin. Yeah. That one's been disappointing, hasn't it? Very disappointing. Very disappointing. But the shorts have to cover. So here goes 26 again. So we can actually close candles consistently back above the 9, then I think we're ready to run again. For now, just be careful. Ready? Be careful. LAES has done well. I mean, this thing has given us like higher lows all day today, actually. All day higher lows. High hellos. High hello. Oh, wow. Look at that thing go. 292 again, Wes. Almost like it wants to break out for $3. Almost like it wants to break out again. The low today was what? 20. Okay, that's not too bad. Four and fours. Okay. Four. Perfect. Perfect. Oh yeah, runny nose. I pray so much every day. I need that. Sometimes that's where it begins, Musty. What are you praying for now? Which one? What are you holding, Musty? What are you holding? There goes $3 test. Tomorrow they need to crash. I have once again gambled on my enemy. Oh lordy. Yeah. Oh lordy. Hmm. Hmm. Cool. Oh, there you go. Omega, you up $1,000 as well? Not yet, but fingers are getting itchy. Okay, you're just waiting. Okay, you're waiting to see what happens here. Yeah, let's see if it stays above $25. Like if this thing can give us a double bottom at 25, then you might be okay still there, Omega. It's trying, right? So it almost looks like a double bottom, right? Uh, so yeah, if it can stay above that level, then that's good. For fun is yeah, 25 cents. 25 cents. Did I say $25? No, yeah, I meant 25 cents. It almost looks like it's forming a nice double bottom there, doesn't it? Yes. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Oh, interesting. Hmm. I like $25 better, of course. Clown analyst really did just say DWAC going to $80 maybe. Uh, no, I mean, like honestly, Roblox. Not that I care about these analysts and what they're saying. I doubt it's going to $80, but you never know with these crazy stocks and what happens when people are excited and hyped and yeah, yeah, yeah. So if you were looking for an entry into like if I wanted to get into fun, I would wait till that thing closed the candle above the blue line Costa, right? I like that it's holding 25 though, so but I also would wait till that thing actually confirmed that it was curling back up because now the blue line has become a problem. Like it's you can see how like we're hitting these like the blue, right, and failing. So even though we closed one candle above, the rest have all been below. I do like 25. You're almost just waiting for confirmation there. Netflix, 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 Netflix. Interesting levels. And there goes a LAES with another fail. Another fail. Dipskis. UCAR? Okay. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah, it's there he goes. 25 is holding really well actually for fun. Cost stop, right? So you have to decide that do you like it closer to 25 or you're waiting for it to close above the 9. You then have to decide, right? You have to decide which one you like more. It's still playing with the 9. See, that's my only concern there. Like, look how much it's playing with the 9, right? But it's trying. It's trying. Like I said, though, if I was looking for a position, I would wait for that thing to close above the 9. If I was looking for a position, right? So then I don't know how like risky you are. You know, you might say, you know what, I'm gonna try it at 26 because I'm gonna set a stop loss below 25, or this and this and that, right? So, uh, but if I was looking for a position, I would wait for that thing to close above the 9 and then go for there. Go from there. Is the S&P recovering? Not really. Kind of. Kind of. Preview. Hmm. Mm, 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 mm. 45 minus. Doo, 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 doo. Uh, uh, okay. Neo broke below. It broke below 7. Yeah, that thing is gonna get destroyed. Support at 660. Yeah, I don't like Neo below $7. Not one bit. Yeah, taking some off the table. Yeah, I don't like Neo below $7. No, thank you. I only like Neo at $7 because we've done a few bounces of $7. There goes fun, guys. Fun is gone skis. Mr. Z, did you take your position or you're still waiting? Did you take your position? So there you go. So we're back to 29, right? So 25, pretty sweet, right? Support. Well, that's what I mean, right? So support at 25. Take your money. Yeah, there you go. I should no, 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 no. Okay, cool. Okay. Someone take me. uh, I'm just reading stuff. Let's go. 16. Okay, I like that. 220. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. What's the value of that? Hmm. See if I send you a 26, 28 West. No, good job. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. 26 to 28. Well done. Yeah. So I mean, you can see though, right? Like it's so much safer for you to let that thing come, like let it crash and then kind of consolidate, right? And then make your play. Cup and handle. That's what you're in, Musty. Okay. That's Yeah. I see what you're looking at. Remind me when it's above $3.10 though. Because cup and handle or not, that thing needs to break above 310. You know what? It's funny I say that because then it just immediately skips to 310. Still needs to break out, Musty, right? Needs to break out. I just want to look at some of these other names here actually. Oh, yeah, that's a triple top retest. Uh, okay. Okay. And said, what do you look? I see what you're talking about. No, I see exactly what you're talking about, Musty. Right? So, but either way, it doesn't matter though if we don't break out. 5 candles. No, I see exactly. I mean, like honestly, if I look at DATs, right? You look at this chart, must you tell me you don't see what you're talking about? Like I see exactly what you're talking about, man. Right? When you say cup and handle, all I'm really looking for, Musty, is one thing. I'm looking for where the resistance is. Yeah. I care less about everything else, more about like where it actually needs to break out to confirm the handle. Same thing when someone says, oh, is that an inverse head and shoulder, like is that a wedge, or is that a I don't really care. Like I kind of have a picture of like what you're saying in mind, but I'm looking for that main breakout. Yeah, that main breakout point. So yeah. Mm. Same, Musty. I'd say exact same. Daily and on the smaller time frame is the exact same. Needs to break out. It is trying though, which is good. Like it doesn't look too bad. It's trying. If that thing goes about 320, Musty, you're in a really good spot. So, but it's still failing. Look at that. It just dropped again, right? Yeah. AMC, New York Time lows. What a trash stock. So yeah. Anyways, so it looks like we're just playing with 26.25 for now for support for this one. That's crazy, isn't it? AMC's at 435. What a disaster. Spy's going back for the highs though. Spy going back for the highs. About life, I exited fun way too early. Tony, you did. What did you sell at? What did you sell at? Okay. Uh, Let me go. You entered at 175. What do you mean? Entered at 1750. Okay. And then you sold at 20 cents. Oh yeah, you sold early. Yeah, yeah. You sold way early. I mean, the positive here, Tony, though, is that you made money, right? Yeah. I'll take a look at UCAR. The positive is you made money. UCAR's done well. Like the theme is penny stocks. You know what's cool is like, yeah, as much as we're, fun has that Trump catalyst. It's also kind of the theme in the market, right? People are not really focused on anything else because it's either at resistance, the big caps are resistance, or they're ready to crash. So people are just, then penny stocks. You made, oh yeah, Tony, don't worry about that stuff. You made $9,000, right? You had a big position and $9,000. Yeah, no, nothing to worry about at all. Uh, 90. Oh, yeah, wow, crazy. I'm just seeing now, Rob. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's go. Chaos, chaos. Uh, reset, refresh. Oh, there we go. Never had to do that. Uh, what's Bitcoin doing here, Josh? That 4 hour chart looks nice. It looks nice. Uh, it's amazing. Want to trade positions? 600 shares position in fund earlier today, Tony. Wow, well done. My goodness, well done. Yeah, my nose is running today. That's why I'm having to. Camera is going. Yeah, my nose is running, 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 running. Uh, 65. We see the snorts. Chase it. Yeah. What's the weather? What are we dealing with today, guys? It's getting warmer though. It's getting warmer. It's like it's minus 21. So minus 21. Oh no, that's yeah, yeah. Well, I mean that's too messed actually. Yeah. Anyways, the entire thing is messed up. At least we don't have like the extreme cold. Well, it looks like it's yeah. Hmm. Oh else. There goes LES Justin. Are you still in this one? Still playing it? Yeah. Senda. Yep, it looks good. Looks good. Let's go. Yeah, Tony, come join us in Discord. Uh, Should be 20 $2.95. Tony, sounds good. Yeah, come join us in Discord, Tony. Well, speaking of joining, we have a new member, guys. Welcome, David. Welcome. I think David has been a member before, potentially, because you're not actually getting the badge, or maybe you had a free membership. I think you might have had a free membership. David, welcome to the community. Thank you. Click the link at the bottom of the chat, David, and follow the steps in the Getting Started channel. Welcome. There goes LAES. There goes LES, guys. New highs of the day. Pre-market high for this stock was $3.04, so it's going right. So there goes $3 again. Let's go. Na, 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 na. Fun. I mean, let's see what happens here, Tony. It's still playing with that 25, right? So, yeah, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. So it's just fluctuating 25, 26, 25, 26. So let's see what happens. Louisiana is 3 degrees. Minus 23 is 3 degrees Celsius. Yeah. Well, oh my goodness, look at LES, new highs of the day. Ooh, wee. Including pre-market. Oi. Oi, oi, oi. La, la. Tough. Gold is in it. La 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 la. Do we live stream every day, Monday to Friday? Yeah, well, we live stream all of the time, and then we hang out in Discord. 27 annoying, Ryan. You got in at 20. You got in at 27. Yeah, that is annoying. Yeah, because we're still playing between 25 and 26 here. We're back to 26 again, right? We're just going back and forth now for fun. That is at 325 now, Musty. 330. Ooh, wee! Congratulations. You better be in that thing. After waiting for the cup and handle break, right? So yeah, there you go. 330. It almost looked like it was halted, but it's not halted. So you need those candles about 320, though, Musty. So stay about 320. Yogi, oh my goodness, 22 degrees Celsius, but it's only 6:30. So it's gonna get hotter. Oh my goodness, that's amazing. 22 degrees. Like I'm all the way on the opposite side, you know? There's sun and there's North Pole. The two never meet it. And anyways, hit today. High of today is 24. And then just thinking about it, just thinking about it makes just thinking about it. And then Dan is going on a cruise. Are you gone for a month, Dan? You said? Gone for a month? Another undercover criminal? Let me come look. Who is this undercover criminal? Oh, no gain larger than 50%. It's Troy, isn't it? Troy is a criminal. Uh, Today, Lana went to the red. Let's go. Beautiful. Yeah, Troy is a criminal. I like it. I like it. I like it, Troy. Yes. 15 days. Okay, that's a heading to the Caribbean on Friday. We beautiful. Beautiful. Musty, what's your target here? Do you have one? Shannon says, can you look at Roblox? You're short at $40. Roblox. DATS is hitting new highs of the day, Musty. So congratulations. The volume seems nice today. There you go. What's your target at this one? So FUN is still playing with 25, 26. Nothing to see there. Bitcoin is still holding the 4 hour. I don't need to watch the 4 hour. Josh is gonna let us know when something crazy happens. Roblox. Roblox. You're short at $40. Um, hmm. Like you just have a straight out short position. This is not like not options, not puts, nothing like that. Just short. Well, um, and so what's your current stop loss for that short position? I mean, I like your short doesn't look bad. Like it's not a bad short because the stock is weak. We could easily sell up to the 36 and 37s and 38s, right? So easily. Right. The only concern is you're shorting already after that thing has gone from 47 to $40 and then you shorted it when it after it's crashed. Right. So does it have more in the tank is the question now. But yeah, let me know what's your stop loss for that short position and then I'll come back. Ooh, look at that go. Musty, keep praying harder, Musty. Keep praying. It's working. There goes 350. There goes 350. No. First time, so let me any must do's in Discord? Okay, sounds good. Vegas? You're going to Vegas? Okay. Uh yeah. Ask viruses. Are we still holding 25 cents, guys? Still holding. Puts. Okay. See, yeah, that's what I'm asking because you puts. So are you green or red in that position, Shannon? You have puts. So let me know, right? So are you green on that position? And when does that position? So they expire in 3 weeks. What strike do you have? What strike do you have? Let me know. La, 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 la. There goes 360 for that. Musty doesn't want to jinx it, guys. He's not saying anything. He doesn't want to jinx. He's like, 30. Okay. Yeah. No, no, it's with stuff like this one's way dangerous. Like if you miss the run, you just sit back and watch. Yeah, just sit back and watch. Hello from Germany. Hello, hello, hello. Oh yeah, yeah, no, for sure, Tony. Yeah, it's like stuff like this without a catalyst, pump and dump. I mean, I guess they issued a letter of like to the shareholders, but it's yeah, pump and dump. You made 30% on fund. Congratulations, well done. Huh, interesting levels. You're waiting for an entry, okay? uh, yeah, that's the term they want to use. Dan, that's the term. As fun is retesting 25, right? So let's see if we can stay above 25 again. I think the bottom on this dip was 24.70, and then the very bottom was 24.50. Okay, let's see. Let's see, fun. Uh, Today, a bit confused, Tony. It's because again, so two things for me. Two things. So one is because again, they're using there's an article on TradingView that says the Trump stocks are pumping because Trump won Iowa, right? So he's won the caucus or whatever they call it. So obviously that's a good thing, right? All these stocks are related to Trump, so fun is one of them, right? And then also like there's nothing else happening in the market, so these penny stocks take over, right? So when it's slow, the penny stocks usually take over. Yeah, yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Na 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 na. 25. 25. So that thing has to start bottoming. If it's gonna do anything, it has to start bottoming around 25 cents here, right? Has to start bottoming out here. Otherwise it creates issues, right? So anywhere between like 25 to 20 to 24.50, that has to be the bottom if it wants to do anything. Otherwise you maybe have a problem. I hate that it's below the 9 though. I hate that it's below all the moving averages. Below the 9, below the 50, below the 20, but still playing with 25. Interesting bid and ask. For the economy. Do you guys have anybody else like so what's going on with so Trump is actually allowed to run for re-election even with like all the other like all the cases and like the lawsuits, not the lawsuits but like the I don't know, whatever is happening, he's allowed to run, and you guys don't really have anybody like competing against him. It's just gonna be him, and so it's gonna be Trump versus Biden. Who lets Biden run again? That's I don't. Anyways, anyways. They should just let the dude like enjoy like retirement or something. Actually helping him, Alika. Yeah, I think so too. Yeah, it doesn't seem like there's any competition there, is there? And then Biden actually wants to run. Like his family doesn't tell him, like, enjoy the grandkids, like go for beautiful walks. You've worked hard enough. Like it's time to enjoy, the family, instead of like having people roast you on like night on TV. Like his family don't that's just sad. Whatever. You can see, like, forget about like politics. You can see the dude struggle. Like if that was your grandpa on TV, you'd not want to have him be there. Like go and go for a damn walk or something. Go relax on the beach. Not go read like stuff on the teleprompter. Anyways, whatever. He's fallen 3 times already. Yeah. Yeah. Na 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 na. It's been sleepy to na. Yeah. So nobody else has a chance. Yeah. Smoking hot. uh, yeah. Does not apply until proven. Every case is falling apart. Josh, yeah. Yeah. So you're gonna end up in jail. You know that, right? You're gonna end up in jail. Anyways, anyways, yeah. What's fun doing here? Fun? Fun is struggling, isn't it? Fun is struggling here. Yeah, that thing needs to reclaim the 9 immediately. I think I'd be concerned if that thing went below 24. I'd be very concerned. Would be very concerned there. So DATS is bouncing. Look at that musty, right? So breakout, retest of the breakout. Typical. Happens like clockwork every time, right? Resistance, breakout, retest the resistance, and now it's going back up. So that's nice. Hmm. Uh, I said I was done. Did you make money on those 3 trades, though, Peter? It's for the people, and that's just a fact, Mister. Yeah, virus. Yeah, I don't really care about politics, honestly. Don't really care about politics. I think. Yeah, yeah, yep. Yeah. Mm. Came out even where I should have stopped 3 trades ago. Yeah, it seems like the morning pizza, like that's your zone, right? Like yeah, like you're already too late. Like you're yeah, like 40 minutes ago, you should have stopped. Come on, I want violence. Yeah, it's going back up, which is good. La 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 la. My supplier. La 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 la. Okay, cool. The highs. 345. So it looks like we held 24 cents at least at the bottom of the candle. DAX is going for 350 again. Yep. What they probably said some stupid stuff. Let me pull it up here. I don't know if they actually. Oh, there's also a spin-off included. Oh Lordy, have mercy. So shares jumped 37% on proposed a spin-off of Habitat platform business, whatever that means. So they're doing a spin-off. So you're probably holding something that you might get some I don't know, Musty. You might get some other shares for this and that. Yeah. Yep. Peter was entered. Yeah, no, that's what I was telling him, Dan. Like Peter does really well in the mornings. But then when he trades at night, they usually enter him, It's like proper nighttime. Anyways, there goes 26 for fun. 26. 15 once. Uh, la, 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 la. I don't want no the shares. I want monies. Yeah. I mean, I guess I can look really quickly here. So announces a planned spin-off of its Habitat platform business into a new public company. Whatever. What a scam. New Brunswick. Of course, it's a Canadian company. Uh, into a new standalone public company, distribution, corporate, owns 75% of okay, cool. Blah blah blah. Distribution. Shareholder will maintain their current shares in data chat and get a pro rata distribution of shares. Metaverse stock. This is like what is that stupid company called again? It wasn't BBIG. Yeah, it's BBIG. Yeah, BBIG. Because the other business is a metaverse play. BBIG was also a metaverse spin-off play. Recently introduced a new AI social gaming develop. La, 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 la. I just want to see what the actual structure is, though. I don't really care about this stuff. No care what the company does, what the business is. No care, no care. I just want to see what are they saying about like if you're holding this, you get this. Stuff like that. Uh, Two separate. So I guess we have to look at the S1 filing or Form 10 registration, but I'm not going to do that. I just thought it would tell us easily, but it's not. Oh well, I mean, for now it's doing well, Musty. So I bet you it's not. They're not doing that today or tomorrow. So came down just to stop you out west. That's annoying. Yeah, it came down for the retest, right? Like the breakout retest, right? Like breakout, right there, that white line, right? Breakout. We know what happens, right? We break out, we come back down to retest, and then it's gone again. So next resistance at 370 here. 370. 51. Interesting. Slow thrust. This is slow thrusting. See you later, Peter. Have a good meeting. Good meeting. No, 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 no. Wiggles. Maybe one more trade. Lord have mercy. Just don't go red, Peter. I'm a drug addict. Yeah, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Just don't play at night, Peter. Just don't play at night. Sleep at night. Or paper trade at night. Play card or something at night. Oh, la, 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 la. Yeah, there goes 362. Yeah, no, UCAR was the other penny stock, right? Uh, to the finish line? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, no, UCAR looks ugly. I think ran and then just face planted. I think the good thing with FUN though is FUN had a catalyst. Like FUN is Trump, right? So yeah, the UCAR nice, but at the same time, it really doesn't have the same like that same excitement. Oh, there goes you. There goes Dats. There goes Dats. My sister Gail is here learning to trade on paper trade and TradingView. Say hello. Hi Gail. Hi. Hi hi. Don't listen to Josh. Okay, I'm kidding. Nice to meet you. And your brother is amazing. One of the most amazing people. So hi Gil. There goes that's Musty. Congratulations. Yeah, that thing broke out. Wes, that's frustrating for you. That's really annoying. But again, this is a typical setup, right? This is a setup that we talk about so much. You know, when you see a stock stalling at resistance, you know what it's gonna do, right? So when you see it failing like this, it's like, oh, we're constantly failing at this level. That's a problem. Don't buy that, right? It's failing, it's failing, it's failing, it's failing, it's failing, it's failing, it's failing. Oh, that's your breakout, right? If you don't like the breakout, wait for the retest. That was a breakout. We had to make sure that level was initially resistance back to support, right? So that white line at the bottom there, and it actually curled. Wait for the reclaim, like wait for that thing to reclaim the nine, and it's gone skis. And now it's pumping to the next resistance, right? Here comes $4 resistance for DATS. 85% rally. Beauty. Congratulations, Musty. Even though he's a useless goat, yes. Yes, girl. I agree. I agree. Shannon, you said you are short Roblox, right? You're holding those puts. Are those puts green? I don't think you ever answered my question. LAES is still going for $3, guys. So it's going to need to break three and hold and then more. Fun is stalling at 26 now. Stalling. Stalling. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, what are you waiting for? Become a member. Come join us in Discords. There goes Dads. Oh, wow. Look at Dads go. Look at Dads go. 340 Dads. Okay, nice. I like it. So your next resistance with that, I'll make sure I put this up actually, because I don't think we've, no. Resistance is for do we have EPL today, Peter Mustafa Mohammed? Do we have no roasting? Let me look at the daily here. Yeah, we just failed our $4. $4 is resistance. Yep. Yeah. All these lines are from like when we were talking about this like years ago for DATS, because DATS is an old name. These lines are not new lines. These are lines we've had on there for quite some time. So yeah, that $4 is a problem, right? You notice how these white lines have done well, even though we haven't really like done anything with this chart. So $4 resistance. So just be mindful when you're. What a scam! No, it's resistance. No Premier League. Thank you. Thank you. I need goals. You know, I need goals. I need Brighton to score like 7 goals or something, so I can get back above Pablo. We have cookies. So there goes a fill at $4 and a retest of the nine, right? So very common. Push to resistance, come back and retest the blue line, and then go back up, right? So looks good. Why not have a problem at $10? Yeah, right. So again, Musty, as long as that thing's giving you higher lows and it's holding support and it's doing that, it doesn't look bad. Just need to clear $4. Why not have a problem at $10? Because $10 is different level. A different level. There goes 399. Going once, going twice, and failed again at 399, $4. Neo inverse cup and handle. Interesting. Yeah. Hmm. Interesting. Okay. Oh, here we go. 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 Musty. $4. And another fail at $4. Back to 390. Oh, here we go. Here we go again. That's trying. 399. Walmart discounts 399. Rollback prices 399. And there goes a breakout $4.05, but not really closing above it yet, right? So $4. Yeah, no, really good volume today. 7.2 million. Yeah, really good volume. Really, really good volume. I mean, that's why it's up 90% though, right? But yeah, really good volume. Just okay, perfect. Uh, yeah. Let me look at GLD actually. Yeah, GLD. LES. Yeah, it's back above $3, which is nice. GLD. Huh. October 2023. GLD 2022. 19. Uh, 192 at some point for gold. Huh. Interesting. GLD. Lots and lots of resistance here. This virus is looking for puts. Anyway, so as you can see, we were still failing at resistance, right, guys? So when we talk about resistance, in that range, same range, virus, yeah, yeah, there's yeah. So $4 resistance there. So until we close above $4 there, you want to be very careful. Already, until we close above that level, you want to be careful. So yeah, LAES has resistance between $3 and 5 cents and 3 cents. So does does that GLD chart make you think of like, oh wow, why am I still here? One second. Why the hell am I still on stream? Dang. I completely forgot already. Okay. Anyways, guys, well, I will catch you guys in Discord. And I know, Rob. I know. I was slacking. I'll catch you guys in Discord. I have to go do one-on-ones. I'm like, wait, what? What time is it? I'm lost. Yeah, no, I have to go. So see you guys in the afternoon again. Don't forget to smash a like, guys. We will be back. Should be back at 3 p.m. Eastern time for the last hour already. So I'll see you guys at the end of the day. Tony, come join us in Discord. Become a member. Come join us in Discord. And let's go. Jay, see you later. Peace. Bye, guys. Be safe. See you guys in Discord. Alrighty. Bye.